Yeah, so at the moment, I mean, we know that asthma affects about 10% of the population. There isn't a cure, so we can't cure asthma. If you have it, we can control it reasonably well. What we don't have is a way of preventing asthma. So I guess if we think about vaccinations like we use for polio, where the vaccination can prevent the development of polio, and that's different to the vaccinations you might use for flu, which can prevent this year's strain but might not be good again next year. So really the end goal for everybody working in asthma is, can we prevent people from developing asthma, which really means we've got to work even before babies are conceived, because we know that the environment that babies grow in during pregnancy influences their risk of having asthma. So we sort of have to almost step back generations. In terms of working with vaccines, where there's some work happening at the moment to work out if we can prevent the development of asthma, some of that is working with different sort of products to shift the immune system away from going down that asthma pathway. There's some associations from population studies to suggest that approach might work, particularly in farming communities where people are exposed to different types of bacteria and other biological products. And there's some work in animal models to suggest that it might work. They've not yet reached the stage of human trials, and so it could be many years before we see any concrete advance in that area. But there is work happening in that space.